You may remember that only last week Oribel Joy Divine channeled a message from the Pleiadian star mothers who were encouraging us to express more of our divine self, or God Goddess self, in this year of 2024. Well, recently Oribel connected with the 12th dimensional Andromedans, and they energetically transmitted the following message. As you listen, you may notice that it is a continuation of that message. The Andromedans made reference to the chalice and drinking from it. They commended those who have taken up on the challenge from the Star Mothers. Link to the Pleiadian Star Mothers message is found in the info box below. We hope you enjoy listening to the Andromedans' encouraging and informative transmission. As always, take from this message only what resonates with you, and leave the rest. Enjoy!
Patience. Patience is another beautiful aspect of your God-Goddess self. It denotes graciousness in spirit, love of self and other selves. Tune in to the energy of patience and you'll be amazed at the ease and beauty of your evolution. Nothing and no one can upset or affect your frequency. It helps calm you inside and be in the moment. And you don't find yourself chasing after your goal or comparing yourself with others and with your past self. With patience you develop trust in yourself and how your future unfolds for you. You are happy with where you are. You work with what you already have and make self-inquiries. And in a state of patience you discover a new serenity that cloaks you like a warm blanket. For those who are diligently and faithfully emulating their God-Goddess self, you are expressing so many positive aspects of your divinity. This is a miraculous gift to yourself. And in being you are contributing so much more to the universe. We thank you for taking the chalice and drinking from it. It is what your soul wants for you. We are the Andromedans. We leave you now. Adonai.
End of transmission.